Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys the latest update on Cats Coin airdrop. So guys, if you actually linked your Bitget account to your Cats mining bot on Telegram, you can now actually see your Cats Coin that is being allocated to you on your Bitget account. You can now find your Cats Coin or your Cats token on your Bitget account. They've already started distribution. So guys, now I'm going to show you guys how you can be able to find it. So guys, first of all, you have to open your Bitget app and make sure you're logged into your Bitget account. So guys, now you can see here's the home page of my Bitget account. So guys, now what you have to do next now is to tap on where you can see assets. You can see down there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now what you have to do next now is to tap on where you can see spot. You can see there at the top, you have to tap on your spot account. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, what you have to do next now is to make sure asset is selected. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. It's been selected already. So guys, now under this asset, this is where you're going to find your Cats Coin. So guys, now you can see there the arrow is pointing at it. You can see that the arrow is pointing at it. You can see there I have over 22,000 Cats Coin. So guys, now what you have to do now is to go and check your Bitget account to see what is being allocated to you. So guys, in case you can't find this right here, what you have to do is to tap on the search icon there. You can see there on the right hand side. So let me tap on it. Then what you're going to do next now is to type in cats. So let me type in cats. CATS, then let me search. So guys, now you can see there at the top, you can see the cats, you can see the cats logo, you can see my allocation. So guys, now distribution of the Cats Coin have started. Just go over to your Bitget account and do what I've just done right now, so that you can be able to know what has been allocated to you, the amount of Cats Coin that you have in your balance. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. See you in our next upload. Bye bye.